Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Side Hustle Crafter. In this fun video, I will show you how to make these fake character cake pops using air dry foam clay. I will make the blue one on camera, but the red is pretty much the same. You just need to add the orange nose. So to start, you're going to roll out your clay, and then we're going to grab a small styrofoam ball and add some glue to that. And then just use your paintbrush to paint the glue all around the styrofoam ball. And then once you have that done, you're going to place that right on top of the clay and start folding the clay into the styrofoam ball and smoothing it out. And once you have that as smooth as you can get it, you're going to poke a hole right through the clay and the styrofoam and grab a cake pop stick, add some glue, and get that right in there. Next up, grab your tweezers and you're going to start pulling the clay because we want to make that furry look of the character. Then you're going to grab a toothpick and cut it in half, and you're going to place both of those toothpicks right in the styrofoam ball. Grab some white clay and roll it around and make the two shapes the same and make those the eyes, and then add a little bit of glue to the toothpicks you already put in there and place the eyes right on top of those toothpicks. And then you'll do the same thing for the black part of the eyes. Just make them a little bit smaller, and you don't need the toothpicks for these. You can just use glue. Grab some black clay, and you can use a cookie cutter to make the shape of the mouth, or you can just make it by hand. And then you're going to put a little bit of glue on that and put that right on top of the blue clay. And that's it. This character is done. That was super simple and pretty fast to make. And you can make different colors, and you can actually go larger on the styrofoam ball size or even smaller. And you can use them for gift giving or decorations. These are super cute and fun to make.